Hi, welcome back to Fun Friday. I'm so glad that you joined me. My name is Miss Tricia, and I am the art teacher here at the Tempe campus and the Chandler campus. Today we are going to be making these soda straw weavings, and this can either be used as a bracelet, or if you're creative, maybe a headband or a bookmark. The items that you'll need for this craft today is some masking tape, some scissors, 3 drinking straws, and your choice of yarn. I love the variegated yarn. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 3 straws and I'm going to match them up evenly at the top. I'm going to take some masking tape and I'm just going to cut a strip about that big. I'm going to attach it to the end of my drinking straws so that they remain together, and there's a little bit of room in between each one. Then I will take my yarn and tie a knot around that first straw, leaving a bit of a tail at the end. And I'm actually going to make 2 knots just to keep it secure. Okay, once I have my knots tied, I am ready to start weaving. And I am going to go over and under and over and pull it tight. Then I'm going to go under, over, under. So after about 15 minutes or so of going over and under, we're about ready to end that. And I like to judge by measuring it up against my wrist if I'm going to choose to wear it as a bracelet. So what I will do is I will extend this piece out long enough to leave a bit of a tail. Once I've snipped it off, get that yarn aside. So once I have cut off my yarn, I am then going to loop this around one more time, holding my finger out, putting this through the loop and pulling it tight. And I will do that again one more time just to be sure that we have a good knot. Pulling it tight. And then I will be ready now to take off my masking tape at the end. And very carefully, I am going to now set this down, and I am going to cut 3 strips of yarn that are longer than my straw. The next thing that I will do is I will feed my 3 strips of yarn through the straw until it comes out the other side. Now that I have fed the yarn through each straw, now I'm going to loop this around and make just 1 knot very carefully making sure that this end does not move. Okay. Now I am ready to pull off my straw. After we tie our knot, we will pull the straws out from the non-knotted side. Okay, so I have my one end knotted, and now I will knot the other end. I will just wrap this around my finger and feed it through the loop. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, making a straw weaving, and I look forward to seeing what you create. I would love it if you would share that with me. Be sure to pause this video along the way so it is easier for you to follow along. See you next time.